we're just gonna install the air filter and the cabin filter. This is completely clogged up. If there's any dirt in here, he probably want to vacuum any dirt out. If there's anything inside the airbox, install a new one now. There's 2 tabs in the back. They need to be all lined up. Hard to see back there. I have the vehicle lifted up in the air. There's the 3 clips here. One here, and there's one in the back on the side. And that's it. You look through here, you probably won't be able to see it now, but there's a tab that's in the back, and then there's a tab in the front. You gotta make sure it goes inside the hole there. Install the rest of the airbox. We're going to install the new cabin filter. We're going to remove the old one here. So you want to make sure there's no dirt or debris inside the blower motor here, inside the housing. This one here, the airflow is pointing downward, so you install this in a downward direction. So this is going to be up. The air will be pointing down. When you install this, install it downwards. Like this. And what I like to do, I like to spray some of the Lysol stuff. I spray a little bit on the cabin filter, a tiny bit. Spray some inside the blower motor area. And we can reinstall the cabin filter. If you take note, it's a little bit wet from the Lysol. If you take note, it says airflow here. It's pointing downwards. So make sure you install this the correct way. I'm not even sure if it'll go in the other way anyways. So that's in. So now we just need to install the glove box and the shock here for the glove box. We're gonna install the glove box here. Just need to line up the hinges. Install the shock at the bottom. The shock here on the left side, it just it clips into place. So now the glove box is lined up. We just need to push this in inwards in order to get it back in, and then that's it. And then you need to, if there's any extra accessories here, you will need to reattach it. You see the one for the USB port for the audio system. And then you're all done. Just verify that it opens slowly and in a controlled manner. That's how you know that the shock is installed properly. If the glove box opens fast and there's some issue with the shock absorber here for the glove box. And then you should be all good to go. You can turn the car on. Just make sure to verify for proper blower motor operation. Make sure there's nothing obstructing the blower motor, because sometimes if you install the cabin filter incorrectly, it could make some noise. So make sure you verify the blower motor operation.